Good, beautiful afternoon, everyone. It is another glorious day. We're dodging the rain. It's kind of cloudy out there, but we've got a dry spell. Today, we are going to be cleaning some soybeans with this completely rebuilt and improved Clipper number 2B Special. My nephew Timothy is going to be feeding the soybeans into this machine, and we're going to clean them up. So, let's go. We've got our soybeans here. They're pretty trashy. These are actually the coals from a cleaning job that we did. There's not much good soybeans in there. It's a lot of splits, a lot of trash. This is what was rejected by our Clipper cleaner in our seed mill. But there are some soybeans here and there, and we're going to be running them over this old cleaner that is 75 years old. It's going to do a good job. Let's get to work. This old seed cleaner is pretty cool, I tell you. Nephew Timothy is doing a great job keeping this thing running and operating it properly. What he's doing now is cycling the sift screen roller that I built for the bottom screen here. There's rollers that go back and forth and keep it from plugging up. You can see that there are some soybeans that are stuck inside of the slot. The roller goes back and forth and pops them up and out. Means you don't have to shut the cleaner down and clean your screens out. The conveyor is working excellent. I've always wanted one of these old cleaners with the old belt conveyor. We also put a ball bearing eccentric on this unit. I don't know if you can see it. It's behind these safety shields. Now our screen roller system, the roll that keeps the sift screen clean, added a lot of weight to the shoe and it caused a lot of vibration. So we actually counterbalanced this whole machine. You can see the counterbalance moving under there. That really smooths this unit out. There's zero vibration. You can see it's not really rocking back and forth on the wheels. Without the counterbalance system, the wheels used to move back and forth like that. There was so much extra weight. I made a new conveyor belt out of a 4-inch ratchet strap. It's working pretty good. Typically, these old conveyors had a hemp cloth canvas belt. That's since long gone. The mice got to it. So we replaced it with this 4-inch woven nylon strap. It's essentially the same material, except this is made out of a plastic nylon fiber. Works pretty good. And then, of course, we have our finished product here. Clean soybeans. This old seed cleaner is doing a heck of a job. Still works great after 75 years. It's been rebuilt and improved, of course. It's really satisfying to see these old machines work. It's really cool. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, it's 4:11 p.m. Tim has been doing some really great work. We had to move inside, though. I don't know if you can see it, all the rain coming down out there. This old cleaner is doing a great job. That's it for the day. We finished up cleaning. We've got half the tub to do. We've had to run really slow because these soybeans are just so dirty. Takes the old seed cleaner a good while to get them all ran through. This old cleaner did a great job. You all got to see this old cleaner run, documenting a piece of history. It's really cool. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.